Well, you guys have relocated for Top That Trade, but the game stays the same. Good to see you there, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options trading pro. Here we go with round number one, commodities and capitalism. The Trump administration said earlier this week it wants to hand over $12 billion to farmers hurt by tariffs. Will that fuel the commodities market?
Well, I don't agree with this, but is it going to bring the markets back? That's the question.
Yes.
Is that what it's intended to do?
Well, you know, Willie Nelson
$12
did the
billion.
same thing at Farm Aid in the 1980s. You know, he had a concert for the farmers to raise money to help the farmers out. Why shouldn't Donald Trump do the same thing?
So I would classify this as a subsidy. Here nor there, putting politics aside, it disrupts the market. So you don't have fair, fair marketplace if you have this, and so it takes that away. But
really?
You've
Subsidies
seen the markets
in the ag sector. Who
Yeah,
would have
imagine
thought?
that.
Imagine that.
But you're seeing corn bounce actually, and beans have bounced as well. So
Listen,
it could be a positive.
Listen, the bottom line is it's a psychological market. I think this market has been hurt more than it should have been by these trade war fears.
Overdone.
And I think Donald Trump is trying to calm the waters and say, listen, guys, this is not the end of the world. We have money available to get you through the tough times, but I think this is just a message to the market that they're going to stand their ground and try to get a better deal for the farmers for the long run.
Taking it to round number two, Inflation Nation. Kimberly Clark, the maker of Huggies, blames higher commodity costs and the stronger dollar for hurting profits. What's your favorite inflation situation play?
I'm ready. Are you
Consumer
ready?
stocks haven't done well. They're down 6%.
well.
If you look at that sector,
It is.
down 6% so far year to date. So
I hate to talk about Huggies not doing well. Sometimes we like to say it's full of it, but I don't want to say it's a very bad job.
More babies.
But I'll tell you this, one of the ones I like is Kraft Heinz. Kraft Heinz pays a really good dividend. It's one of the biggest food and beverage makers in the entire universe. The only problem in Chicago, we don't put ketchup on hot dogs, so it's not big in Chicago, but everywhere else it's great.
mustard.
Mustard.
Extra mustard and the relish.
That's
but
correct.
Kraft Heinz is down 20%. If you look at the sector, there's a lot of these stocks that have not participated in the rally. Could be some big benefactors here in the near term. Procter & Gamble's been trading between 70 and 80 now since February. You just talked about Kraft. Kraft has been between 55 and 65 since March. And Hershey's has been between 90 and 95 since April. So they're all bottoming out and basing along. Let's see if they can break out and rally once again. So from a risk reward, I think this sector offers a lot of value.
You're gonna love this one. Round number three, Bitcoin comeback. Alan and Phil both made bullish calls on Bitcoin a couple of weeks on Top That Trade before the big bounce. What's your coin toss now, guys?
Holy
we
crypto.
were right.
Crypto.
We were right, but that's
We
because
like being
we
right.
look at the charts and we were looking at everybody had left it for dead. And so from a reward to risk standpoint, it was a great opportunity. We've seen a 30% bounce in a month. So I don't think Bitcoin is dead. I don't think gold is dead either.
I don't think so either.
Well, here's your bonus round question for today. It's a summertime question. True or false? The month of July is named after Julius Caesar.
True, it is. It is. I used to hang out with Julius. I dated his daughter. So yes, the answer is true.
I still think false.
Phil gets it this week. That is a true statement.
Sorry, thank you.
Thank you. Always a lot of fun. Business First AM continues right after this. Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.